Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm so excited that you're here today because today we're going to plant up 2 containers with the proven winners 2023 combination Misty Seas. I have special ordered those annuals and they are so beautiful. I've been growing them out in their cans over the past month or so, just like all the rest of these annuals, which by the way are more than ready to be planted. It's just a matter of finding the time to do that, and I'm hoping that I can do that in the next couple of days for sure. So these plants are going into a 20-inch container that I found a couple of years ago at Sam's Club. They're really beautiful. They're made of composite material. They're not complete stone and they're not plastic, which is kind of nice. And they look really great. And I think the color of these with the brown color of the container is going to help these colors really pop in this area. I'm going to also run drip underneath like I've been doing. I'm going to raise those up on little pedestals on little feet so I can run the drip line underneath. That hopefully will help that drip line stay secure. This is the first year that I'm trying that. I think it's a great option. So far so good. It's definitely a lot easier from what I can see running it through the bottom so that you're not fighting that drip line that can kind of have its own mind sometimes. So those containers are going to go right here with the water feature in the center or somewhere in this area. But first we have to clear out these annuals and move them to another temporary location, at least until I get them planted. So let's get to work. Let's get these beautiful combinations planted and we'll see you at the end to talk about what we did. All right, here we go. All right, guys, here they are. They're so pretty. 4 of the Supertunia Mini Vista Whites, 4 of the Supertunia Mini Vista Indigo, and then the Violet Star Mini Vista as well, along with the Graceful Grasses Blue Mohawk Juncus. I'm not going to lie, these things are so big. They've grown so well in their cans. It's going to be an immediate show of color once I plant those. And I'm probably going to have a difficult time getting them all in there, but it sure is going to look full. So let's get these things planted. I just wanted to stop for a moment and show you what they look like all together. Already, they're gorgeous. So let's do it. Here we go. All right, so they're all done. And They look great, don't they? I'm so excited about these. And if they look this full right from the start, I mean, I can't even imagine what they're going to look like throughout the summer when they continue to grow. So what we did is we lifted them up onto their pedestal feet right there. We ran the drip line up through the bottom of the drainage hole, ran drip on the very top, put some moisture control soil in there, put some more land and sea on the very top to give it a nice top coat, kind of like a mulch in a way. Planted all of these beautiful plants, the indigo, the violet star, the Supertunia white, and also the graceful grasses, blue mohawk, juncus right there. And I know it looks really small right now, but from what I can tell about these things, they do get quite large, but they won't take over completely, and they won't be a solid presence. They'll be more like an airy, wispy grass, so that's going to be great too. Then lastly, we put back this little small arrangement with the Super Bell's Blue Moon Punch and a dwarf boxwood right in the middle. And I think that's going to be great. The only thing that I have to do left is to attach the drip line to the main line, and then these things are good to go, and I never have to worry about watering them. We can go on vacation, they can get the water that they need every day, and they will never go dry. And I can't even express enough how important that is when you have containers, especially hanging baskets like this one right here behind me. So we hope you enjoyed this video today. Thank you so much for being here, and we'll see you again in the next video. Bye bye, everybody.